Hello, I'm David Spunt, a proud product of Gahanna-Jefferson Schools. You, as donors, make it happen by supporting the Education Foundation and providing grant opportunities to teachers with great ideas. Community donations turn schools into places that empower and equip every student for a lifetime of learning and to expand access to educational resources. Here's just one example of the Gahanna-Jefferson Education Foundation's direct impact on student achievement. The Gahanna-Lincoln TV studio transformation began 7 years ago with the purchase of 27 iMac computers, complete with Final Cut Pro editing software. In 2019, the studio control room was rebuilt and transformed into a state-of-the-art facility complete with a video switcher, audio board, and teleprompters. That same year, designs for the new TV studio new set began as a collaborative effort between TV teacher Mark Lowry, Fab Lab teacher Mike Kunzelman, architecture teacher Jason McGee, and all of their students. The architecture dream team designed it, the Fab Lab built it, and the TV students cabled it, and all of it was made possible by funding from the Education Foundation. There are plenty of reasons to celebrate the updated TV program. In 2022, Lincoln Live won the National Student Emmy Award for Best Newscast in the United States from the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences.
And the Student Production Award for the Best Newscast goes to Lincoln Live 2022, Gahanna-Lincoln High School, Ohio Valley.
So who exactly benefits from your donations to Gahanna?
The Lincoln Sports Zone also earned the National Student Emmy Award for Best Sports Program.
The Student Production Award for Sports Program goes to the Lincoln Sports Zone 2022, Gahanna-Lincoln High School, Ohio Valley chapter.
Both shows were produced on the new news set, which not only gave the shows a professional look, but most importantly helped students challenge themselves technically and turn their visions into an award-winning reality. With donations to the Gahanna-Jefferson Education Foundation, you can help each student do more. Go Lions!